Yeah. Not just in the spot.
Hey, what's your name, man?
Dave.
Dave.
Hey, brother.
Shout out to Dave, man. He figured it out for us. Right on, Dave. Hey, you have a good one.
It's a little fun to get in here, but yeah, so
It was a little complicated.
now we just gotta set up.
There he is. Chilling, bro. Yeah, you already know. Hey, setting it up quick or what?
Hey, I've been here since like.
No,
they wouldn't even let us in, bro.
Wait, we had a whole fucking issue.
Oh man, bro. Now I got in here and they told me I couldn't get out no more. I was like, damn, I still have to go get everybody. Yeah, already out. Let's go. Set up.
Ahí estamos,
You guys can hear we're here at the Texas Motor Speedway, and it's a vibe, guys. We're barely, people are still setting up. The general admissions haven't been let in yet, and it's already getting fucking packed, guys. So I can already expect a badass event. So if you missed out on this one, don't miss out on the next one, because this event is the event you want to be at. Guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up. We're gonna get the tent up. We're gonna put the race truck where it needs to be.
When I pull up on them niggas head drop, I got the streets in the head block. Straight to the money, no stops. Straight gas, nigga, fuck cops. Yeah, bitch. The Nards just ran in the spot. Nobody was there, we got out. I know they mad as fuck. They can't keep tabs on us.
Hey, ¿qué anda, güey? ¿Cómo anda?
Nickel to a 50, turn a 50 to a dollar. Take the dollar to your partners, show them how to act the water. Lock it up and make it harder. Really running with the monster. We don't eat pasta, we hit on oodles and noodles. We got a way, that's a full one. That shit just blew me. Pass me them purse, I need two of them. Get to the money, I'm racing. Sweet. Bitch better check my trap, I'm getting money. Pockets full, why not? FN on the side. Nigga try me, they gon' die. Younger screaming, what's the price? I can't wait to let them slide. It's gon' be a homicide. I ain't gotta tell no lies. 4 PF until I die. Yeah. The Nards just ran in the spot. Nobody was there, we got out. I know they mad as fuck. They can't keep tabs on us.
Oh, boy, ¿cómo anda? Yes, sir.
Vamos a ver la tuya, así mismo,
Damn. El Chuyito, ¿cómo anda, mamá, güey?
¿Bien y usted?
Ya sabe.
¿Pasaron cuántas horas? 14. ¿Usted? ¿Y por qué lo pararon? No más, porque la placa de la traila, ahí puede que no entraba la letra, estaba como borrada la placa.
What's up, bro? ¿Cómo anda, viejón? Ya sabe, ya sabe. Estás igual que el Durán, güey. He's learning on his signature too, güey. A ver.
Topa la verga.
Oh! Look who it is, bro. Perfect timing, bro.
You doing good, bro?
Yes,
Which one you want? Black. Give me the 2 extra black.
Y'all doing good?
sir.
I see y'all coming up. I see y'all.
Yeah.
Where do you park that over there? Yeah.
Y'all gonna come bullshit with us or what?
Hell yeah. Ya nos dijeron, we already know.
You ready for fucking
Fuck. The Narcs just ran in the spot. Nobody was there, we got out. I know they mad as fuck. They can't keep tabs on us. We judging the feds, trying to get this paper. You ain't on the grind and I'll see you later. I'm trying to grind, go and get this paper. The Narcs just ran in the spot. Nobody was there, we got out. I know they mad as fuck. They can't keep tabs on us. We ducking the feds, trying to get this paper. You ain't on the grind and I'll see you later. I'm trying to grind, go and get this paper. I'm rocking ball mains like they cheap. I bought all 100 and it's neat. I ride in foreign cars like I'm meat. Hunching on foreign bras on the beach. I got it all gone in a week. Say by the bell like I'm Screech. If it ain't right on my seat. Hope one of you niggas don't reach. I'm on that timeline, niggas watching. What's up, Brody?
Sleeping over here, dog.
What's going on? Hey, don't fall asleep in the bed.
A few inches later.
That shit locked, yeah. Part of the game. Hey, but I think how much you want for that little vest on the left side, bro? I need that one. That one didn't break. That one's still good. That's a guy. Put a pedo. Yo, hit up my boy Subando, right? What is that on Instagram?
Yeah, Aldo Subando and Edgar on.
Wait, it's part del show. Any publicity is good publicity, my boy. So I gotta tell you, you know?
That's right.
Al rato le dan los 1500 que me pidió la otra vez. I'll put it on my trailer, bro. No tengo con qué estirar ahorita, pero pues.
I know, bro. Now that shit locked, bro. The fucking car's locked, bro. And then it died. The truck died. And then he stopped it up. Boom. Se chupó banda también.
Dale.
Fuck, bro.
¿Qué opina?
Hey, it's all OEM. La mandé a la verga. No, you should see the rear bumper, man. The rear bumper fucked first. And then now it's my bumper. No pasa nada. It's just paper, baby.
should have fucking hit it. That side para allá. Yeah, fucking the power steering locked and it turned off, bro. And it just went straight. As soon as I was gonna fucking whip it, I fucking shut off and the power steering got all hard. I couldn't turn it up and it just went straight. You got a story to tell, right? Huh? You got a story to tell, right? Now I got a story to tell. Good to see you guys. I'll see you in a little bit, bro.
Ya digo, muchas gracias.
No, se me apagó y se laqueó el power steering, güey. Y dio para frente. Y dio para frente, güey. Y así pasa en veces. Pero es parte de todo esto.
Eso sí.
A ver, vamos a ver el daño. Te falta nomás, mi amigo. El faldón, el bumper. Nada grave, mi amigo. De verdad, no te preocupes, así te vas a conocer más. Ahora sí vas a saber el güey que chocó. Pero está bien, y luego al rato la arreglas y la metes otra vez y de eso se trata, mi amigo. Exactly como le pasó y luego la cosa, la casita. mics. Put on mics out, bro.
I don't know.
Ooh, that joint raw.
I fucked some shit up. It ain't my truck, so.
Yeah.
Fuck it. I already fucked it up.
I'm in a booth right now, right? And I look around and I finally realize I done turned myself to a motherfucking self-made millionaire, you dig? Everybody love me at some point. Come on, bitch ass nigga. Hey, don't play with me, play with your bitch. Let's go. Don't play with me. Don't do that. Play with your bitch. Play with your bitch. Young nigga on some multi-million-dollar shit. Fur coat, $500,000 worth of ice on. Lit up like a nigga, put Christmas lights on. Why the fuck do you be so fresh, dawg? Why you keep your foot on these niggas' neck, dawg? Cause we at the top, but we really from the bottom. Tell that pussy fuck 'em, and that's how I feel about 'em. Heard your intro, your last 2 mixtapes. I hear you slick dissing, but that shit lame. All that make believe rapping about cocaine. Play with me, ho, got it, you a hoe, man. Hey, you went from my biggest fan to my biggest hater. Begging me to sign with you, but I had too much paper. Still that same nigga that used to front your big brother. Found out he a bitch too, now I call him.
Ya sí se me hizo otra vez, otro video. Se apagó todo el pedo, güey. ¿Sí?
Call you boss, but they can't call you king. Cause that's dope. I can't drink all that 2 liter because that's raw. The streets hour. That new 488 came with a lot of power. My little niggas begging to let those sisters scatter shower. Don't play with me. Play with your bitch.
¿Qué dice my boy? Fucking stop recording, push, fool. ¿De dónde son, güey? For Worth? What's your IG, güey?
Victor A. Jr.
Hell yeah, follow my boy.
1614.
Hell yeah.
Man, I don't even know my IG.
If he's friends with them, you'll find them in the like.
10 M's up, what the fuck? I'm just saying. Oh, you must be mad cause they call Memphis Dogland. On Meta Super Bowl, my money on the fountain cans. Hey, you big head motherfucker, why you hating so much? Oh, I forgot you came up rapping dissing 3 6 Mafia. Stop slick dissing and dodging me, nigga, let's get it.
¿Qué está pasando, cuz?
We fucked up the truck, bro, so now we gotta pay for our consequences and push it back into the tank. She didn't want to turn on no more stuff.
¿Ya no quiso prender?
Nah, bro, ya estuvo. She said, I sent it a little too hard. Te pasó de verga y dijo, ya no voy a prender a la verga.
Damn, se
Vale,
emputó,
verga.
se enojó.
Sí, güey, pero ahorita voy a prender a la verga, vale verga. ¿Cómo la
Sí, sí.
Sí, a huevo.
Es todo, es todo. ¿Cuánto nos falta para
Ok.
empujar?
¿Eh?
¿Para empujarla? How much more?
Mames, güey, aquí hasta acá México a la verga todavía.
Ya llevamos como unos, ¿qué? Unos 3 blocks.
Couple blocks.
Like 3, 4 blocks pushing. Fancy blocks
Fuck
too.
no.
Not regular blocks.
Long ass block, nigga.
Shit. No, hasta la gente, they're going faster than us.
Right.
People are walking faster than what we're pushing. Míralo. ¿Y el Edgar? Bien a gusto, papá. Bien a gusto, míralo. Con AC y todo.
¿Cuál es sí?
For ice on, lit up like a nigga cut the Christmas lights on. Why the fuck do you be so fresh, dawg? Why you keep your foot on these niggas' neck, dawg? Cause we at the top, but we really from the bottom. Tell that pussy fuck 'em, and that's how I feel about 'em. Heard your intro, your last 2 mixtapes. I hear you slick dissing, but that shit lame. All that make believe rapping about cocaine. Don't play with me, ho, got it, you a hoe, man. Hey, you went from my biggest fan to my biggest hater. Begging me to sign with you, but I had too much paper. Still that same nigga that used to front your big brother. Found out he a bitch too, now I call him your big sister. Bitch, you still that same nigga that was beefing with a dyke. But you a gangster though. I cannot take you serious. They said them pussy niggas on your team earn your draw. They say you make them pussy ass niggas call you boss. But they can't call you king. Because that's dope. I can't drink all that 2 liter. Because that's raw. The streets hours. That new 488 came with a lot of power. My little niggas begging to let those system scatter showers. Don't play with me. Play with your bitch. Matter of fact, when I fucked her, she told me you a bitch. And tell that old nigga from my hood with you that he a bitch. You make the city look bad, that's the truth. Fuck nigga, I be in North Memphis more than you. I shot my first 20 videos in my hood. Trap, you a puss, I heard they never see you in your hood. Nigga, quit playing. 10 M's up, what the fuck? I'm just saying. Oh, you must be mad cause they call Memphis Dogland. I'm at the Super Bowl, my money on the fountain cans. Hey, you big head motherfucker, why you hating so much? Oh, I forgot you came up rapping, dissing 3 6 Mafia. Stop slick dissing and dodging me, nigga, let's get it poppin'. Oh, pussy ass nigga. Oh, pussy ass nigga. Was talking about me in your song prior to the side. Found my number in her phone and it hurt your pride. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, you found my number in her phone and it hurt your pride. When they hear this shit, they gon' play it 5 times. Got
¿De dónde sacó tanto cerebro para los motores?
Mira, lo que hago, esta es mi rutina. Me levanto y yo digo, yo soy la mera verga. Hey, before anything, guys, God first.
Hey, there we go. That's the answer.
God first, everybody else second.
That's the answer right there.
No problem, bro. Tell all your friends.
Yeah, we will. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
It's okay, right?
Yeah. That right there, my boy, is what it's about, bro. Showing these young cats that are coming up. I'm glad that they like to come see the builds and they're inspired by us because it means we're doing something right. So the goal here is to continue to inspire these young cats and inspire all you guys watching these videos. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe so your boy Duran can continue coming up to these shows and pulling up and putting on a show for you guys. Unfortunately, we had a little icky, you know, the truck shut off on me. The power steering got a little hard and straight to the wall, but we came back, redeemed ourselves. My boy Beto got behind the wheel, and all we gotta do now is replace the fender. I got the bumper at the home, and I got another bumper cover too, cuz. Hey, I already got the bumper cover. Now we just gotta get the fender. I just need the fender. That's all we need.
Hey, there it is.
¿Qué dice primo? ¿Cómo anda? ¿Todo bien? Bien, gracias a Dios. ¿Ustedes?
Bien, está bien.
¿De dónde vienen?
De Houston.
What side going on now? You don't have swallowing these?
No, not the
Only boosted?
¿Están medianas con esta? ¿Este? Luego. Aquí está bien. ¿Qué color? Gracias. ¿Le firma él también ahí? ¿Arriba o abajo? En la camisa. ¿Dónde quieres? Donde quieras tú. Another bumper cover at the house.
I mean, I say we just K that one.
I like K.
Whatever's left. I mean, whatever's left.
Yeah, you did.
He did He did
Hey, my cousin told me, he's like, hey, you know whose fault it is? I'm like, who? Daddy's money. I'm like, what? He said, don't crash. I'm like, all right. No. No, he told me, he's like, no, I'm just kidding, bro. He thought y'all was gonna drive. No, it fucking turned off on me, bro, and power steering got hard, and I couldn't put brakes.
Hey, that's fact. That's fact.
Hey, it's embarrassing, though.
¿Cuál pinche momento, güey? Ese es el pinche momento, güey. Al final del día es un pinche momento que you don't see every single day, güey. That's fucking appreciate it. Even if you cry.
Hey, my boy just made my deal.
What would you do first, man?
What would I do first?
Yeah.
Enjoy the moment.
Okay.
Enjoy the moment. Although, even if this was my truck, I would have still enjoyed the moment because a lot of people got to see it and it wasn't just for a random dumb reason. It was done professionally and a lot of people got to see it and I have a lot of fans. That's the only reason why I would appreciate and grace the moment because if it didn't happen today, it would have happened in the future. So, regardless, appreciate every like every single moment, appreciate it. Because keep in mind, we only live once, that's one. And two, you don't get moments like this every day. So embrace it. Now, be mad if you did some stupid shit with it, like drink and drive out of here or have done anything else. But instead, you brought it to a show, everybody fucking came through, you showed out, and that's what happened. Period. There's no fucking X's to that. Right?
All right. What's the second thing you would do?
The second thing I would do, celebrate, because that's my first wreck. You know what I mean? Celebrate and enjoy the moment.
All right, the third thing you would do.
The third thing I would do, fix it a la verga.
Finally, man.
Porque ya me dolió nomás verla así.
Yeah, that shit's painful, huh? Yeah, the boys got us on some change.
Yeah, my boy.
Es todo.
How much you got? I got 25. 45. And then another 10, 65.
Yeah.
Un saludo a mi boy right here, Suelo Mob. Much love to my boy.
Mi compa Kipa, Zumbando, Duran. Y'all, muchas gracias, bro. Tap in. Hey, maybe we're gonna collab soon. Out here, bro, you know, we come out here to take care of our people and do the business and everything. Sometimes we don't have time to think and do everything, but we gonna make it happen, bro. We gonna make something and shit.
Yeah. Hey, I'm in a booth right now, right? And I look around and I finally realize that I done turned myself to a motherfucking self-made millionaire, you dig? Everybody love me except for one group of bitch ass niggas. Hey, don't play with me, play with your bitch. Let's go. Don't play with me. Don't do that. Play with your bitch. Play with your bitch. Young nigga on some multi-million-dollar shit. Fur coat, $500,000 worth of ice on. And lit up like a nigga cut the Christmas lights on. Why the fuck do you be so fresh, dawg? Why you keep your foot on these niggas' neck, dawg? Cause we at the top, but we really from the bottom. Tell that pussy fuck 'em, and that's how I feel about 'em. Heard your intro, your last 2 mixtapes. I hear you slick dissing, but that shit lame. All that make-believe rapping about cocaine. Don't play with me, ho, got it, you a hoe, man. Hey, you went from my biggest fan to my biggest hater. Begging me to sign with you, but I had too much paper. Still that same nigga that used to front your big brother. Found out he a bitch too, now I call him your big sister. Bitch, you still that same nigga that was beefing with a dyke. But you a gangster though. I cannot take you serious. They said them pussy niggas on your team earn your draw. They say you make them pussy ass niggas call you boss. But they can't call you king. Cause that's dope.
That's a wrap.
I can't drink all that 2
Shout out
liters
to my team,
because that's
guys.
raw.
We did what we had to.
I'm
Very happy with the outcome. Unfortunately, we had you can see a fender's bent in. It is what it is. The power steering fucking locked on me. The truck turned off. There was nothing I could do. I went straight into a wall. It's okay though. Tuesday, Monday, we'll have it fixed. Content for you guys. Major shout out to Beto. Got in the truck, swinging for me. Shout out to him. And shout out to everybody here at Bandas y Trocas and the whole On The Gas team. We just wrapped it up, guys. Took us a little bit. Now what we gotta do is somehow get out of this place fucking full. We got the banda still playing out there, but we want to beat all this traffic, so we're gonna have to leave before the banda's over. And we're gonna call it a day, guys. So I hope you guys liked today's event. Shout out Bandas y Trocas and On the Gas inviting us over here to this event. It was one badass event, and we'll definitely be here next time.
Found my number in her phone, and it hurt your pride. I'm sorry. Yeah, you found my number in her phone, and it hurts your pride. When they hear this shit, they gon' play it 5 times. Got a lot of foreign cars that I get too high to try.
That's it, my boy.
I gotta fucking wash our hands, wash my face. I got fucking burnout dust.
Tell us what happened, bro. What happened right now?
We were coming out, and I was in the 2-step, and I don't know what happened with the fuses, but the fuse keeps getting blown for when you try to crank it, and we couldn't turn it on no more. So we had to fucking push the truck up. Shout out the team, my girl, and my cuñadita, man. We put it up, and
La caída, la caída. If it wasn't for that fall.
shout out for my boy. There was no cameras around. Good thing there were no cameras around, man. But yeah, let's go inside, let's wash up, and I'm looking at him fuck up the Travis, dog.
Hey, that's true.
Check the Travis, that's it.
Yeah, they actually still look, hey, for all of this madre you did today, they look good.
Unfortunately, you know, we had a little fender bender, but you know, it happens. I guarantee you it won't happen again. It's embarrassing. I gotta go fix the truck, get it tweaked up. I don't know what's going on with that fuse. It keeps popping, and then the fucking truck just died on me, and then the fucking power steering was hard. I mean, at that point, there was nothing else but to hit the wall, you know?
I mean, you couldn't avoid it.